gotta be real careful with the clear coat, man, because if you do too much, she'll start running. But I got it down to perfection now. I did it so many times on different cars. But I like the shininess of it. Let that dry up. I have a couple of imperfect spots that I messed up that's been bleeding over here and over there. And the crazy thing about it is, when you slap the clear coat on, that's when you really see the bleeding spots. But I wasn't really expecting this car to come out perfect, but I like it. I'm gonna slap the decals on there. And the parts as well, the bumpers as well too. These were chrome, I de-chromed them. And then I painted them. I was gonna do that the front bar red, but I thought that would be too much red going on in the front, so I did it black. And did the back blue. Took the spotlights off, sanded it down. Just did something regular. The electronics came. I'm gonna install those tomorrow. Brushless motor, ESC. It's a 7200 kV, I believe. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna install some headlights and tail lights in here, and some other things. So this is what she looked like so far. Stay tuned. Alright, so she's finally done. The Tamiya King Cab / Tyco Bandit, or whatever you want to call this. I named it the King Bandit. Finally finished, and I had fun doing this. What inspired me to do this is because I always wanted the King Cab for many years. Couldn't afford it when I was younger, let alone the damn Bandit. But yeah, but years I wanted it. Then it got more rare, more expensive, and they're hard to find right now. I don't think Tamiya is going to re-release them anytime soon. I'm real picky on what I get. I do see them up there, but they're always incomplete, or the body's messed up, or transmission and stuff like that. So anyway, I decided to turn one of my Bandits into one, and I like the way it came out. Another reason that I wanted to do it is because I did this one last year, the Roger Mares Nissan. Changed it. I have a video up of me doing this as well. If you didn't see it, go check it out. Had fun doing this one also. But I just love my Nissans, man. Gotta love them. Yeah, so I got a 4700 kV brushless motor in here, and we're gonna take this outside when it gets dark. I want to do a night shot with the lights, see how they came out, and also put a cool motor engine sound in here. Let's turn it on and see what she sound like. I hooked it up to this sandwire. I think it's pretty cool. The cool thing about it, when you turn the car off, the motor, the controller off, the engine shuts off. I like that. Turn it back on. And if you don't want the sound to be too loud, you can turn it all the way down or to as loud as you want. Or I got a button under here where you can just turn it off if you don't want the engine sound. But alright, let's take it out. Let's see you outside.